Great morning, children. Today we are going to start lesson 11, that is comparison. So, children, we have learnt about the adjectives. Adjectives are the word that describe nouns or pronouns. Here we'll see comparison. We use adjectives to compare two or more people, animals, or things. We use adjectives to compare two or more people, animals, or things. How to compare? Like example, for let's see the example. Motorcycle is heavy. The elephant is heavier than the motorcycle. The ship is the heaviest than among the tree. Here three things are given: motorcycle, elephant, and the ship. First we are talking about the motorcycle, then we will write motorcycle is heavy. When we compare elephant with motorcycle, we will write elephant is heavier than motorcycle. And in third sentence, ship is compared to all. Ship is the heaviest item among the three, like this. So children, what are the rule? Adjectives can be put in the three categories based on their use. Adjectives can be put in the three categories based on their use in comparison. Like an adjective that does not show any comparison is said to be in positive degree. When we are talking about only one people, one animal, one things, and it show no comparison, so it is said to be positive degree. And we write like this: bright, short, cold. Simple adjective. An adjective that show comparison between two things, two person, two animals is said to be comparative degree. And it is said to be comparative degree, and it is right like this: brighter, shorter, colder. We add er in the adjective. Third one, an adjective that indicates comparison of more than two things is said to be in the superlative degree. We always use the article the with the superlative degree. When we compare more than two things, it is said to be superlative degree, and we add article the before superlative degree. And adjective write like this: brightest, shortest, coldest. Here children, three degrees are there: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree, we are talking about only one person or one thing, and simple, bright, shorter, cold. And comparative degree, when we compare two things, it's at comparative. Like er, we add er in the adjective. And when we are compare more than two things, it is said to be superlative degree. Third degree is superlative degree, and we add est in the adjective and write article the before the adjective. Next children, we follow some rules to form adjective showing different degree of comparison. Here some rules are given. To some adjective we just add er or est, like tall, taller, tallest. Est or er we have to add. Second, in some adjectives we double the last letter and add er or est. So here big, we double the g last letter and write down bigger, biggest. Third one, from some adjectives we drop the y, add I and er. I and er or est. Easy, we drop the I, y and add ier, iest. Easier, easiest. Fourth one, to some adjective then end e, ends in e. Those adjectives that ends in e, we only add r or st. Large, we have to add r, st. Larger, largest. We use more and most with some adjective to form their comparative and superlative form, like cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful. It's a long sound word, and we add more and most when we make the adjectives. Next is children, next rule is the comparative and superlative form of some adjectives are different from the original form. Some adjectives are there which are different forms are there: good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, many, more, most. Yeah, these are the different from the original form. Here is the exercise A. Complete the table with the positive and comparative and superlative forms of the adjective. You can write superlative, comparative and superlative degree here. Hard, harder, hardest. Rich, rich, richer, richest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Noisy, noiser, noisiest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Bright, brighter, brightest. You can do children easily this exercise. Next is exercise B. What you have to do in this exercise, children? Choose the correct adjective from those given in bracket to complete the following sentences. Like Pamela is dash then Aruna. Children, here two adjectives are given here. Choose the correct adjective. Like Pamela is dash than Aruna. You know that Pamela is compared to Aruna, so you will write shorter. Pamela is shorter than Aruna. Second is Vandi is the dash of all the girls. Vandi compared to all the girls, we will write smartest, and here the article is given. My bag is dash than yours. My bag is lighter than yours. You can do easily according to rules. You have to follow the rules and do this exercise. So children, exercise third one. Exercise C. Connect each set of word into meaningful sentence following the instructions given in bracket here. Football, pop. What you have to do, you have to connect each set of words into meaningful sentence following in the instruction given in bracket. Some instructions are given in the bracket and you have to follow the correct meaningful sentence you have to make. Like football, popular, hockey, England. Here use the comparative of popular. You know that comparative of popular is more popular. So you will write football is more popular than hockey in England. Next is watermelon, juicy fruit. Here use the superlative of juicy. Superlative of juicy is juiciest. Watermelon is the juiciest fruit of all. Now third is aeroplane, fast, train. Use the comparative of fast. Aeroplane is faster than train, like this. You can do easily, children. Try to solve this exercise by yourself. After that, exercise D. Fill in the blanks using the suitable adjectives from those given bracket. So here three adjectives are given here. You have to write the suitable adjective in the blank. The weather is dash today. You know that the weather is good today. It is dash then weather last week. Here then it's comparison of two things. It is better than the weather last week. However, it is not dash than last year. However, it is not better than last year. That was a dash summer. That was a good summer. It was the dash summer in year. It was the best summer in the year. You can do this exercise easily. So children, I hope you have understood the exercises well and you can do these exercises by yourself. Okay children.